For years, I thought you needed money to make money. You had to invest thousands, or even lakhs, to earn even a single rupee. But then I found something that changed everything for me. And today, I'm going to share it with you. There's this one website that I want to show you. A website that doesn't charge you any fees, has no hidden costs, no fancy tools or apps to download. All you need is this website and an internet connection. That's it. I want you to go to this website right now. Sign up is completely free. They don't ask for any documents or phone verification. Just sign up and you are ready to start earning. And guess what? I didn't even have a product or service. I didn't have any clients or a big following. But with this website, I made my first 1,000 rupees within a week, and it just kept growing from there. Now let me tell you how it works. On this website, people come together to buy and sell things online. It's like a marketplace where anyone can post things they want to sell and people can buy them. But here's the twist. You don't have to create a product or even find clients. You can do this by simply providing services. Services that people already want and are willing to pay for. Think about it. Everyone has skills. Maybe you're good at writing, designing, programming, or maybe you're great at social media or even cooking. People are willing to pay for these skills on this website. You can offer your services to people who need them, help them solve their problems, and get paid for it. And the best part, most people don't know about this website or how to use it, so you can be one of the first ones to take advantage of it. Think about it. You can work whenever you want, wherever you want, and be your own boss. You set your own rates, and people pay you directly on this website. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. I've been doing it for years, and it's changed my life. I've met amazing people, worked on exciting projects, and earned a lot of money. It's all possible because of this one website. So I encourage you to try it out. Start providing services and earn some money. Remember, you don't need to invest any money. You don't need to find clients. You don't even need any fancy tools or apps. You just need this website and your phone or computer. That's it. So go ahead and sign up. Start providing services and earn some money. Who knows? You might just create the next big thing on this website.